G'day everybody, it's Scooter from Plastic Pics, and today we're on location near my hometown, and I've got Funko J with me and my other daughter H helping me out. And as you can see, we're near the railway line and we're taking some photos. I'm going to do Michelangelo, Ninja Turtle, large 12-inch scale Spider-Man, and I'm also going to do Darth Maul. How about that? We just set up and a train went past and nearly blew us off the bloody tracks. So we've got to be very careful here and make sure we don't get killed, which is the main thing. And we'll show you the photos when we're finished. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey everybody, righto. So today's shot is at the railway like I explained. We're trying to get this done before the train goes screaming past again. The one bit of kit I'm using today out of the ordinary, and there goes the car, we're under a tunnel, so excuse us, is my new Chicky light. She's an LED light and I've just got a red filter that comes with it. One of the best lights I've used. I know a lot of guys use lume cubes, etc. I tried something on a budget and on Amazon got this guy and he's fantastic. I use it in all my shots now. You can adjust the Kelvin up and down to like a nice warm light or that really, really bright light you're after. And obviously percentage works quite easily. You just lower it as much as you like. It'll last about 20 minutes at full tilt at 100%. You're obviously not going to use it for that long, just remember to turn it off and you'll be fine. The other bit of kit I'm using is my Canon D40 camera. The settings we've got running here are as follows. So I'm running at 1/160th at f6.3. I leave my ISO at 400 and it's auto white balance. You can fix it post in Lightroom or Photoshop when you put it into production. So that's it, Darth Maul standing there, pretty cool background. And let's see if we can get this working. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. I'll turn the light on, give it that nice red glow. Hello, red glow. And as you can see, it really lights up his head, and it'll be good later in Photoshop when I fire up the lightsaber. So there he is, bit of red on him. There's just enough shutter speed to pick that red up, and excuse the cars going past, I apologise for that. Right, so it's on timer. Here we go. And that's the result. Easy as that. So I might run another one off because the shot actually shows pretty good background. You can see the graffiti. You can see Darth Maul obviously standing there. It's nice, dark and moody. I might try another one and just try and get a bit more darkness into him, or I might crop it a bit closer. So let's try that. What the hell's that? It was at this very moment Scooter thought he was holy hell, how was that? That was mental, we blew everything off the bloody thing again. Hold it properly. Down there like that, tilt it like that. Ready? Then Jared, I'll show you the picture. So there you go guys, I took some photos at the railway line near our place today. I must say, the train went past at about 125, 130 kilometres an hour and nearly blew us off the bloody thing and killed us. I lost the box off my light, it blew it 150 metres down the track and I had to go and chase it. And I had to grab my fingers before they got blown off the bit of concrete, but everyone survived. Hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you got a little bit out of it. It's just to show you that you can go anywhere close to home and take photos. Remember, you don't need this great big scenery to get the photo you want. You only need that much in the frame and the background blurred out. No one will know where you are. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.